ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಎರಡನೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. What is receipts and payments account? What are the features of receipts and payments account? And what information you are going to get with the receipts and payments account? This information I will going to explain in this video. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು, ಅದರ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ we can go ahead with the income and expenditure account. After that, we are going to prepare the balance sheet. This information I have provided in the first video. ನನ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವಿಚಾರನ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎರಡನೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡಿ. Receipts and payments account meaning. Let us know the meaning. It is a summary of total cash receipts and total cash payments received and made under different heads during a particular period. That means it is a summary of cash book. Why we prepare cash book? To record the cash received and to record the transactions of cash paid. So those informations of a particular period will be recorded. So receipts and payments account is nothing but similar to cash book. Let us know the features. It is a summary of cash book. ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾದರಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವೆದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಐಟಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. It is a real account. What is the real account rule? Real account rule says debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Here also the same rule apply for receipts and payments account. On the debit side you are going to write all the receipts. On the credit side you are going to write all the payment informations. Then it starts with the opening balance and ends with the closing balance of cash. And it only shows the cash account closing balance. When we prepare after completion of receipts and payments account, it shows only the balance what we have in our hand about the cash details. Okay, fine. Let us know few limitations of receipts and payments account. There are certain limitations in this receipts and payments account. Let us know it. It is not a trial balance because it does not provide a clear picture about what are the assets we have, what are the liabilities we have. So it is not a trial balance, and it does not show surplus or deficit. So we should not use the word profit here. Why? Because it is not a trading business. So that's why deficit or surplus. But receipts and payments account will not show the deficit or surplus. So that is the limitation. To fulfill this limitation, what we are going to do? We are going to prepare the income and expenditure account. And one more thing, it is not a balance sheet. That means it is not a balance sheet means it does not provide the financial position of the non-profit organization. So that's why we are going to prepare the again balance sheet. These are the few limitations of receipts and payments account. Nice. Let us know the pro forma or format of receipts and payments account. It I have provided in a simple manner. So there are some adjustments we have to learn, and in the part 3 video I am going to tell about the how to prepare the receipts and payments account with some solutions. Okay, now let us learn in the simple format. On the debit side, whatever the words you are watching, all those are receipts. Take for example subscription, entrance fees. Here you are watching life membership fees, donation, sale of old assets, sale of old newspaper, All these information, rent received, interest on investment, these are, whether it is revenue receipt or capital receipt, it is recorded on the receipt side, debit side. Now on the credit side, creditors, amount paid to creditors, rent and taxes, repairs, insurance, printing and stationery, purchase of books. If it is a library, then you have to purchase some books. Salaries paid, purchase of assets, electricity and sundry expenses, etc. And the remaining balance we are going to write. Accounting treatment of recording information. Here, before writing, you found out that there are two information, that revenue items, which consist of revenue income and revenue expenditure, and then capital items, which we are going to write in the balance sheet. That means revenue informations will be recorded in income and expenditure account, and capital information which are already in receipts and payments account will be recorded in the balance sheet. Now, how to identify whether revenue item or capital item? That we should know. So usually in revenue item, there are revenue receipts and revenue payments. We all know that. Capital information, it contains capital item, contains capital receipts and capital payments. Now, let us know one by one what is revenue receipt, what is revenue payment, what is capital receipt and what is capital payment. If we able to know about these information, then we can easily prepare from receipts and payments account. These revenue items are recorded under income and expenditure account, and these capital informations are recorded in the balance sheet. Let us know the meaning of revenue receipt. Revenue receipts, in a simple sentence you can understand, these are recurring in nature and these are received regularly. These are generally small in amount. These are the three criteria you should understand. Recurring in nature, that means repeatedly it happens. Pade pade ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. These are received regularly, that means periodical intervals ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಬಾರಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ. These are generally small in amount. These are not huge amount. These are small amounts. Examples: rent received, commission received, subscription received, like that. These informations are recorded on the credit side of income and expenditure account. It will be already in the receipts and payments account, in the income and expenditure account. On the income side, that is credit side, we are going to write. What we are going to write? Revenue receipts. Nice. Now let us know the next information, revenue expenditure. The benefits of these expenses exhaust within 1 year, and these are the transactions or expenses which are for the purpose of day-to-day activities. These are incurred for day-to-day running of the organization. So that means, take an example, salary paid. See, after taking 1 month benefit, you are going to pay the salary. After taking 1 month electricity charges, you are going to pay the electricity charges. After using premises, you are going to pay the rent. That means the benefit of these spending is exhausted within 1 year itself. There is no continuation for the benefit from the expenses. So these will be recorded in income and expenditure account on the debit side, that is expenditures side. Okay, so in income and expenditure account, two sides will be there, expenses and income bifurcated. On the debit side, we are going to write all these revenue expenditures. The next part is capital items. Let us see capital item, capital receipts. Capital receipts means non-recurring in nature. These are non-recurring in nature and these are not received regularly, opposite to the revenue receipts. Take for example, life membership fees. There will be a sports club. When a sports person or when general public wants to take the membership, they have to pay some huge amount. Take for example, 1.5 lakh, 50,000, like that huge amount will be paid. Not like subscribing for 1 month 500 rupees, how we join to the gym 1,500 rupees, not like that. Here huge amount will be paid, that is for lifetime membership fees. So that is also one of the example. Sale of old fixed assets, old newspapers, low, are these type of informations, cricket bat, all those sports material equipments, these are called as sale of fixed assets. These informations are recorded on the capital receipts, that is on the balance sheet liabilities side. Then one more information, the last information we should know about capital item is capital expenditure. Benefits of such expenses is available for more than a year. Take for example land purchased for shuttlecock badminton court. Say here that land purchased will be used for so many years. That is more than 1 year. This can be called as capital expenditure. It includes amount that added productivity to an asset. Take for example, while preparing that shuttle badminton court, you are supposed to put the pillars on both the sides, and you should purchase the net bat, all those informations. That assets will add some productivity. Take for example a cricket ground. There you have to create some pitch that needs to be spended. So spendings, all those will create productivity on the asset. That is also a capital expenditure. Take for example purchase of land, cost of additions to the fixed assets. Like these examples, these are written on the asset side of balance sheet, asset side of the balance sheet, capital expenditures, right? These are the information I wanted to provide. Now for your purpose I am giving this. Kindly please answer in the comment box about these five logical questions. So classify the following items in accordance to their nature. That means ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಐಟಮ್ ಅಂತನ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನನ್ನ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಒಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ತಲುಪ್ತವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಫೋರಮ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಎ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್, Jagdish Commerce Forum. Here you can get the informations regarding the more commerce information. And one more information that I have maintaining some blog, Spardha Academy blogspot.com. Here also you can join me. Okay. Kindly like and comment. Thank you.